Notepad offers an easy and straightforward way to capture ideas before they slip away, or to quickly save key details when you're in a rush. But what if those TXT files suddenly disappear and cannot be found in recycle bin? Accidental deletion, a system crash, or even a mistaken overwrite can wipe them out in seconds. That's why it's so important to know how to restore your lost files as soon as possible. Hi, I'm Rico from RecoveryFox AI. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 common and effective methods to recover your Notepad TXT files so you don't lose your important notes for good. Alright, let's dive right in with the first method, file history. File history is a built-in backup feature on Windows 10 and Windows 11. It allows you to restore previous versions of files and folders, even if they were deleted or changed. But here's the catch. File history is off by default. That means you need to set it up in advance if you want it to automatically back up your Notepad files in the background. If file history was already enabled, you can restore your TXT files as follows. Go to the folder where your TXT file was originally saved. On the Home tab, click History. A file history window will appear. Use the left and right arrows to browse through previous versions of your Notepad files. Double-click a version to preview its content. Found the one you need? Click the green Restore button to recover it to its original location. But what if file history wasn't enabled, or you just can't find your file there? Don't worry, there's still another reliable way to get your TXT files back. That's where RecoveryFox AI comes in. Before diving into the details, let me first show you the recovery results. In the scan list, you can clearly see the lost TXT files, and the tool even lets you preview their content. RecoveryFox AI delivers excellent scanning and preview performance for TXT files. And the best part? You can achieve these results in just a few simple steps. First, download and install RecoveryFox AI from its official website, or use the installer link in the comments below. Don't install it on the same drive where your lost TXT files were stored to avoid overwriting them. Then, launch the recovery tool. On the home screen, select the location where your TXT files were stored and click Scan. If your files were deleted recently and nothing has been written over them, you'll likely find them quickly in the Quick Scan folder with the original file name and path intact. If some time has passed, no worries, you can still try the AI scan mode. This advanced scan digs deep into your storage, searching for fragmented data and reconstructing them into complete files, as long as they haven't been overwritten. For AI scan results, you can browse by file type, preview each TXT file to confirm its contents, then select the ones you want to recover, or simply recover the entire TXT folder with one click. Finally, make sure to save the recovered files to a different drive, not the original one, to prevent data overwriting. As you can see, RecoveryFox AI is simple, fast, and efficient. And it doesn't just recover TXT files, you can restore many other file types as well. That's all for today's video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical recovery tips. I'm Rico, and I'll see you in the next video.